Are late nights getting the better of you? For me as a life coach, a proper and good quality sleep is the foundation of any health transformation. Nothing can help if sleep is compromised. No supplements and no medication. Here are 4 of my techniques to help you fix your sleep schedule really fast. Technique number 1, matching activities with our circadian rhythm, or what I call as well surfing on the cortisol curve. Our circadian rhythm basically functions like our internal clock and dictates our energy levels throughout the day. We can take advantage of this by scheduling the more demanding activities in the morning when our energy levels are naturally at their highest, and saving our less demanding tasks for later in the day. This will allow us to effectively unwind at the end of the day rather than raising our cortisol with stressful tasks just before we try to go to sleep. Technique number 2 is to avoid eating too close to bedtime. If we eat a large high-carb meal, our insulin levels spike, which can have a big impact on our circadian rhythm and negatively impact the quality of our sleep. As a general rule, try to leave around 2 to 3 hours before eating and bedtime, and if possible, try to avoid starchy and high sugar foods during this meal. Technique number 3, avoid drinking caffeine too late. We all know that our morning coffee can give us that extra boost to get through the day. But we need to be mindful of our caffeine consumption, especially if we notice that our sleep is being impacted. Our bodies typically take a few hours to flush caffeine out of the body. So as a rule of thumb, we want to avoid drinking caffeinated beverages at PM time. Technique number 4, keep your sleep schedule consistent. Your body prefers to keep a consistent schedule. If you are constantly changing your sleep timing during the week, then your body won't be able to settle into its desired rhythm. Try to keep a consistent bedtime throughout the week and on the weekends as well. This way, your body will be more prepared to go to sleep at the time you have set. If you like this information and you would like to learn more on how to improve your sleep and lower your stress levels, then it's all in my book, Stress Less, Sleep Better, the Busy Professional's Guide to Mastering Stress and Achieving Perfect Sleep in 3 weeks. Take care of your sleep and see everything fall into place. If you like this content, then we have plenty more on our channel, so please like and subscribe to see more of our content in the future. Thank you for watching.